Glam Dolls. It's been about 5 months since I've done a makeup video. OMG, yeah, 5 months. And in YouTube world, 5 months, honey, it's like 30 years. And it's funny because quite a few of my official Glam Dolls, and when I say official, that means subscribed Glam Dolls, have inboxed me and was like, are you not doing any more makeup videos? Like, what's going on? That blew my mind, hence why I'm here today. So I'm here today with some new makeup brushes from LA Colors Cosmetics. Now these are exclusively only at Walmart, okay? These brushes are at Walmart, and I will be utilizing them in this video. I'm also going to use the LA Colors Glam palette, the Cool Glam palette. Now again, if you are an official Glam Doll, which means you are a subscribed Glam Doll, you already know anything with the word glam in it, you know I'm using, because my name is Ms. Glamour Addict, and everyone in this community on this channel calls me Glam. I kind of feel like this is just like my palette. Like, I did this major collaboration with LA Colors and they issued a glam palette. So yeah, that's my manifestation. That's what's gonna make me feel good using this palette. So anyway, let me show you the brushes. These are all the brushes that are made available at your local Walmart, and I will be using them in this video today. Well, hopefully I will be using all of them. Let me see. We have a crease brush. I definitely will be using this, the crease brush. We have the brow liner brush. I probably won't be using this because I already did my eyebrows, so we have that. We have the blush brush, which I definitely will be utilizing in this video. We have the the eye brush, you know, the regular eye brush for you to put on your shadows, so going to be using that. We have the full blending brush. Now this is for shading, okay? The full blending brush, which looks like that right there. The large powder brush, which looks like this right here, super cool. The foundation flat brush, which looks like this. Probably won't be using this, but okay. The highlighting fan brush. Now let me tell y'all, a lot of people stop using the fan brushes to do their highlights, and I don't know what's going on out there in the beauty world, the beauty industry, but hey, I'm gonna start using it again. So we got the fan brush. We're just gonna jump into using this glam palette, and like I said, so this is all about LA Colors Cosmetics, and yeah, I'm so excited. So it's going to be a voiceover just so we can kind of speed through it, and then I will come back to you at the very end of this video with my final thoughts and conclusion about what I use. So yeah, let's get going. I'm starting out by priming the entire mobile area of my eyes, and with the warmth of my fingertips, I'm going to take this primer and blend it up towards my brow bone. And here's the palette. It says glam on it. Ooh, I'm just too excited. So anyhow, look at this. You see how it tells you where you can place the eyeshadows, where it says lid and crease and highlight? Oh my gosh, this is what makes this palette so fantastic to have. So I'm starting out with a fluffy all over blending brush, picking up that color a little slightly darker than my natural skin tone. I'm gonna blend that up just to begin warming my eyes up. I'm then going to take an eyeshadow base, and with the warmth of my fingertips, I'm only going to apply it to the mobile area of my eye. Using an eyeshadow base really makes your eyeshadows pop that much better, and way better than you do with primer alone. So I'm taking a nice dark brown color that's labeled crease, popping it directly in the crease, and I'm also using one of the crease blending brushes to do so. Again, here is where I begin building a definition up into my eyes by popping that in only in the crease, keeping it very precise. Heading back into the palette, picking up these two lid colors, mixing them together, and I'm using the LA Colors blending eye brush to apply it only on the mobile area of my eye. I like mixing the two colors together because it helps to create my own custom eye color, but I'm focusing the lighter color more so towards the inner tear ducts, and then I mix the two colors together to apply on the rest of the eyelid. Again, I'm using the blending eye brush to apply these colors. So now I'm kicking it up a notch. I really want to start darkening that crease. And here is where I take the brush labeled eye crease brush and just focus that in on the outer V. It's not quite black, but it's like a dark black, if that kind of makes sense. So to kind of diffuse it, I picked up the brown crease color and focusing that in over the original color just to diffuse it out a bit, because I don't want it too dark where it starts looking like a raccoon smoky eye type thing. So off camera I did the false eyelashes and wing liner, and now I'm applying my foundation. I'm using the LA Colors flat kabuki brush, dabbing my foundation all over, and once I dab it all over my face, here is where I begin to blend my entire face together using the kabuki brush. And then I'm moving to highlighting underneath the area of my eyes with my highlighter. And then I'm going to go ahead and start contouring using my e.l.f. Cream Contour Kit. And I'm just going to chisel on out my cheek area and make the perimeters around my forehead. And I'm going to go ahead and use the LA Colors Beauty Blender and blend out underneath the areas of my eyes. Blend out that highlight. Blend out that contour. And this is the LA Colors Beauty Blender, and it is 100% latex free. So once I've done that, here's the fun part. OMG, this is the highlighting fan brush, and let me tell you why every beauty enthusiast need a fan brush in their collection. I'm using the LA Colors Strobing Highlight, and I'm going to show you the magic of what the fan brush can do. Oh, wait for it, and voila, look at that gorgeous glow. The fan brush diffuses when you are applying at least a powdered highlight. It doesn't overwhelm the face. So now I'm just going to add a little bit of lipstick, and as I apply the lipstick, this is pretty much bringing the end of the video. Not bad. I really like how this eye look came out. Yeah, LA Colors came all the way through, but then again, it's a no-brainer, because anything with the word glam in it, you know you're going to come out looking effortlessly chic, and you ain't got to break your bank for it, okay? Seriously speaking, this is what I really love about LA Colors. I mean, look. They came all the way through for your girl. And speaking of that, I'm really going to manifest this into reality. LA Colors and I will do a future collaboration. It's already in the making. See, they already printing glam on their packaging. Now they just need to connect with me so we can make this whole thing a reality. Okay, I'm manifesting this into the universe. So give me a huge thumbs up. Help me manifest that vision for me. The glam palette. Okay, no. Anyway, this palette have exceeded my expectations per usual. The eyeshadows will not chalky when applied. They blend effortlessly easy. When it comes to LA Colors, they even place on the eyeshadow pans where you can apply the eyeshadow, like, you know how it says lid, crease, whatever. In case you're new to makeup, you already have a pictorial on the back of the packaging that can help guide you, along with the lettering on the actual eyeshadow to help guide you. But if you're experienced to wear makeup, then that's even better for you too. So yeah, and you know, these brushes right here, like I said, they are available exclusively and only at Walmart, as it says right here on the packaging. But I did one better for you all. I did link them down in the description box below. That way you don't have to leave the comfort of your home, take that drive, get that parking, get the shopping cart, and look for it all over the store when it can be delivered right to your door. How convenient is that? So on that note, dolls, I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. So I'm going to go put the rest of my brushes away and keep manifesting this glam collaboration with LA Colors. But I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.